Hi, cuties. Hi, Roo. Hi, Leeloo. Here's Ratchet. Hi, Ratchet. Hi, Roo. Hi, Leeloo. You guys are cute. So this is my niece and nephew. Ratchet is the brown dog, the Sheltie, and the little Aussie puppy is my niece. Her name's Leeloo. She's 5 months old now. And Ratchet, I think, Mr. Man, I think you're 12 years old. This is her first snow. Her first snow zoomies. Oh boy. Oh boy, pretty girl. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I know. I know. Yeah, I think we're good. Oh, are you gonna get him? Are you gonna get him? Oh. Get her, Ratchet. Get her. Get her, Ratchet. Get her, Ratchet. Aw. You guys are cute. Alright, ready to come inside? My feet are getting cold. It's cold out here. You guys can keep playing, that's okay.